Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to show you how to reset the service light on a Hyundai i30 on a 2025 plate. So the first thing you need to do is switch your ignition on so you get your ignition lights. And then you move to the center screen. You need to press the setup button, then the vehicle button, and then convenience, then service interval. And on here you can see you've got your distance, your duration and your reset option. So press your reset and it'll say, do you want to reset service maintenance, interval and mileage? Press yes, and then it will do a little dance on the screen with a graphic, tell you it's been reset, and then you'll see 10,000 miles and 365 days. So it gives you 10,000 miles or a year. So that's your reset done. We've showed you how to do it. Would you pay a garage for that, or would you prefer to do it yourself? Let us know in the comments if you're going to do it yourself and how you get on. Please drop us a like as well and subscribe to the channel, and let us know what car you want us to show you how to do a service reset on next. See ya on the next one.